Wait. Okay, magbutang pa si Tito garnish and then straw.
Oh, nice.
Then underliner after. Wow! It's umbrella. Nice. I know Isha like the umbrella. It's color pink. Yay! Okay na. And yay! Isha, smile. Say smile.
Stop it.
Yay! Isha got her order. Next. Samo. Next. Ikaw, Jay, ulhi ko ya. Ang kakali, Jay, gamay lang nga baso. Gaya lang siya baso gamay ba? Later. Amay. Amay daw ba? Amay baso. Hindi siya kaabot. Kasi, Jay, tadan! Amaze kay siya ni mo diha, eh. Na-interview portion. Wow! Nice! Whose order is that? Ah, yours. Okay. Ay, no. Sit down. Sit down properly or else wala kay drink. Wala kay drinks, ani. Sit down.